Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, there lived a group of animals of all shapes and sizes. There were rabbits, squirrels, deer, and even a wise old owl. Each day, they went about their own business, and they rarely spoke to one another. One sunny morning, a mighty storm rolled in. Dark clouds covered the sky, and rain poured down like a waterfall. The wind howled and the trees shook. The animals were scared and shivering in fear. The wise old owl hooted, "We must unite to survive this storm. If we work together, we can build a shelter strong enough to protect us all." The animals hesitated at first, but they knew the owl was right. So they gathered leaves, twigs, and branches and worked side by side. The rabbits used their quick paws to gather materials, the squirrels climbed trees to find sturdy branches, and the deer helped carry them. As they worked together, they built a cozy shelter that kept them safe and dry throughout the storm. They realized that unity had given them strength. From that day on, the animals of the forest became friends, always helping each other. They knew that together they could overcome any challenge that came their way, proving that unity is indeed strength.